Hello everyone, welcome to YellowSpice. Today let's make special chicken dish with Chukka Kura, which is also called as Indian Sorrel leaves. First let's go and get some leaves from our garden. These leaves are nice and big. Let's pick them. Sorrel leaves or Chukka Kura has a slight sour taste, so it adds a unique taste to our dish. You will definitely fall in love with this. For the ingredients, I took half a kg of boneless chicken, 2 onions sliced, 4 green chilies and Chukka Kura. These whole masalas, I'm gonna roast them and grind them with ginger, garlic and coconut. I also have chili powder, salt, turmeric, garam masala and oil. And I'm gonna show you on how to roast these garam masalas and how to blend them together. I didn't call out the names of all these masalas. You can check them in the scrolling ingredients list. Okay, now let's roast these masalas and add them to the ginger, garlic and coconut and grind into fine paste. This is how it should look, and we are going to use all of it. Let's start with our cooking process. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add green chilies and chopped onions. Fry them until they are soft. And let's add salt to it, 1 teaspoon of salt and turmeric. Mix them well and cover and cook for a few minutes. Okay, after a few minutes, this is fried and looking good. Let's add our chicken to this. I took boneless chicken, but you can also use bone-in chicken. Mix it thoroughly and cover it and cook. The reason why I'm covering it and cooking it on low flame is I just don't want to rush with this. I just want to use the natural water from this chicken. Now let's add chili powder, 2 teaspoons of it. And give it a stir. Add the masala paste that we grinded. I'm adding everything now. Mix it thoroughly. And again, I'm covering this and cooking it on medium flame. So if you look at this now, this leaves some water, see? Though the process is little slow, this definitely enhances the taste. And now I'm adding half a cup of water and again covering it and cooking it for a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, this is almost done. Now my chicken is cooked. You can check salt now and add salt if it is required. And then let's add our Chukka Kura. I washed it and cut into small pieces and I'm adding it now. After adding Chukka Kura, you don't have to overcook it. You can just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and our dish will be ready. Just mix it well and cover it and cook for a few minutes. And this is ready, almost ready. So let's add our last ingredient, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And let's plate this. Our Chukka Kura chicken is ready. This goes really well with roti or rice, but I prefer to eat this with roti. Please try this dish and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.